Hey everyone, I am ReaperDigital, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the Windows old folder after reinstalling your new operating system, maybe a fresh install or updating a new operating system. Um, Sometimes you can just go to this PC, go to your C drive, and right underneath Windows there'll be another folder called Windows Old, and you can right click on that and you can click on delete. But sometimes it asks for permissions, and it's a hassle to try to grant those permissions if it won't let you, even though you give the permission. So the way to fix this is to click on your search icon down here and type in disk cleanup. Click on that, and then click your C drive, which is what your operating system is on. And this menu will pop up. Now you're going to click on cleanup system files, and then do the C drive one more time. It's going to do a scan. It might take a little longer for you. And then you're going to scroll down here, and right about here in this section at the bottom here, it will say old Windows profile or previous Windows installation. And you're going to click on that and then just hit OK. And what it'll do is actually delete that folder for you without having to grant it permission. So I hope this video has helped you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it, and I'll catch you all in the next video.